All right, back from my tangent. No more squirrels here. I'll stop wasting time chasing rabbits. Time to measure and clean up these lines I need to match with my patch. Then on to making a patch for the hole from my old dryer vent. I used packing tape to trace around the circle left behind. I cut it out, then traced it onto a scrap. The other half I set aside for my outlet hole next. Now you see me cutting my circle out, but not cutting all the way through, to leave an overlap of paper so I don't need supports. I kept tweaking it till it fit in this odd-shaped circle. Yay! Now I get to move on to my rectangle. More see-through tape for tracing. Boop, 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 boop. Cut it out, trace it onto your drywall scrap, plan out some overhang paper again, and start scoring. Like a glove. Now, on to bracing. Brace, brace, brace. This was just planning out spots to screw in the bigger patch, 'cause it's gonna need it. I planned 2 on the top, 2 on bottom, and 2 in the middle, avoiding whatever was going on inside the wall. After marking exactly where my screws would go, I got my extra insulation in. Here I scored between the wall and my baseboard with my pretty little box cutter. Then I used my new trim removal tool to help me pry it away gently so I don't end up with more drywall to fix. That worked out quite nicely. Bye-bye, baby board. Hello, drywall joint compound. Honestly, this part felt like playing with the bucket of paste from kindergarten. I remember being one of the kids that ate it, and the teacher was so sweet about it. Oh, honey, we don't eat that. I started with my smallest patch here because this is my first time. I have since already gone back with a sanding block and a sponge to retexture. But I guess I'll only see how it really turned out after I get new paint on. On to my circle patch. This was really getting fun. Here we go loob-de-loo, here we go loob-de-lie, here we go loob-de-loo, all on a Saturday night. The bigger patch made me nervous because I thought I was going to make a giant mess of it. But I guess it went all right, and I was able to clean it up quite a bit afterward. What do you think? High five, fist bump, or a pat on the shoulder for my first time? I'm glad I tried to learn something new. What are you up to?